National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay, including Cape Henlopen, Brandywine Shoal Light, Brown Shoal Light, Cape May Point, Cross Ledge Light, East Point, 14-foot bank light and Minima Light. Until 5:15 p.m. At 3:40 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing strong winds 34 knots or greater 6 nautical miles southwest of 14-foot bank light or about 5 nautical miles north of Slaughter Beach, moving east at 5 knots. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
This is normal weather.